Alright, so I caught this rainbow trout right here. We're going to gut it right here by the creek, and then we'll go back to cooking camp and we'll smoke it and preserve the meat. What I usually do is I just take the head, clean off, set it to the side, and then basically what you want to do is right from the anal cavity straight up the gut line, and you open up the trout. And then inside is all you need right here. Pull all that out. There's all your stuff. Heart, lungs, liver, intestines, all the good stuff. This is the intestinal tract right here. So you want to throw that out, make sure you clear that. This one's a male. Just take your thumb on the inside, push out all that extra stuff. I'm going to start rinsing it. Like so. Get all that inside stuff out. You don't want to eat that stuff. That's pretty much what you want right there. Nice clean trout, ready to go get to cooking camp, and we put it on the smoker. Alright guys, so we're back at my cooking camp. Mind you that I said cooking camp. This camp is just for me to eat at. I don't sleep here, so I find it best to have a separate camp for cooking at. So that way you don't run into any predators that might want a piece of whatever you're making. But anyways, so we got our rainbow trout back. It's a nice size rainbow trout for today. And I got a nice fire going here. So we're going to build up a nice coal bed. And what I've built here is a cooking rack. And it's got a smoker on top. Now if you look right here in this little triangle space, if we can actually get up in there, you see that I just have some bark layers right here. Nice soft. Nothing thick, so the smoke rolls right up through, but it also stops some of the heat so it doesn't overcook too fast. So that's where our fish is going to go today, right up in there. And then right here I just have some hanging racks, you know, to hang your pot down from, obviously, but also you can use it to hang fish across, you know, to cook them faster, to hang pretty much anything you catch across that. And it's just a nice level spot to hang something from, and keeps it enough away from your flames. So yeah, so we're gonna get right into it here. Spread these out just a little bit. So we got a nice even bed there. So yeah, like I said, our fish is just gonna go right up top here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the meat side, which is the open side, and I'm gonna try and lay it in so it opens up to the smoke, like so. So it looks like the fish is actually just sitting in there, as you see. But this will smoke the inside to make it cure, so this fish will last for a couple days, you know, like a week, in case you wanted to save it. It's just a little tip and trick of how to smoke a fish quickly and how to have a nice little smoker above your cooking area. It's like a 3-in-1 cooking area. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and can't wait for this fish to get done. If you have any questions about smoking fish or anything like that. You can see the smoke is getting really up in there. Nice warmth coming up through. And this is going to sit for a couple hours, for quite a while, until it really dries out and kills all that bacteria and stuff in there and preserves the meat, makes it a little tougher, but long-term food is good. So there it is, smoking the rainbow trout in the camp, or the cook camp smoker. So hope you guys like it. Got any questions, let me know. Talk to you guys later.